Okay, time to go for a little snowshoeing. Got the massive 825s. Go up along the bush there and see what I can see. Lots of deer tracks around here. Come next hunting season. Should be prosperous. Snowshoes are working good. Sure, good exercise anyway, snowshoeing around. Peaceful, can't hear a thing. Now let's carry on. Kind of foggy. I think it's only about -5 or something. So it's warmed up quite a bit, so that's probably increased condensation, I imagine. Like some elk tracks maybe. Look a little small to be moose. Way over where that hill starts to rise again. That's where the kind of the edge of my property is. Be the west end. Got owl. It's an owl. Big path over there. Looks like a main run or walk area for deer. Oh yeah, look at that. Well trampled. Right into my bush. That'll be convenient. I know in the fall they used this big slough over here kind of dried up, but I bet you it fills up in the spring. But they're bedding down there quite a bit. And if you're wondering, I'm not hunting deer. It's not deer season. I just got the shotgun for protection. So there's still mountain lions around. Bears come out once in a while. Moose. But I'll do my best not to harm anything, but you know, gotta protect myself. Looks like jackrabbit tracks. In the spring there's more of a clear path, but I can't really see the clear path. But it seems if you go where the animals go, they tend to take the easiest path also. A little more challenging snowshoeing through the bush here. Just gotta watch my step. Take her easy. Uphill. Oh, uphill's a little challenging. That looks kind of blocked off. Let's try the other way. I wonder why these trees are marked. Maybe someone was going to clear a road through here at one time. They're not doing it now. Kind of lost my path, so I'll try and go through here. Aha! Looks like some sort of opening down here, maybe. Whoa! Some sort of opening. There we go. That's a better opening. Okay. Head out this way. Huh. Let's go around it, I guess. Lots of places for deers to bed down in here, eh? Nice track in there. Oh yeah, right underneath the bush. Nice. Okay, made her back to the cabin. That was a good jaunt. Kind of beautiful with all this snow cover. I hope you enjoyed this video.